So welcome to the Junior Psychographics sample paper that was provided in 2022. So question 1a, the table below shows a number of polygons. In the space provided, I want to first of all name each of the polygon, and then after that, using a tick, indicate whether it is a regular or irregular polygon. So first off, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so that is a pentagon. Okay, and regular or irregular, regular meaning all sides are of equal length, irregular they're of different length. So here all of those sides are of equal length, so it's a regular. If you wanted to use your ruler to measure those, you could. Next up we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so that is a hexagon. Okay, and the sides there, if you wanted to check, that length is approximately 12 or 13 mil. This side here, a bit longer, it's 14 mil. So not all sides are the same there, so this is an irregular polygon. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides is an octagon. Okay, and all those sides, if I was to measure them, they're the same, so a regular octagon. And here we have 1, just be careful of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So another octagon, same shape. Okay, and even though it's twisted or turned, rotated slightly, all those sides appear to be the same, and you can check those with your ruler again. So that's a regular polygon again. On to question B. Shown below on the right is a regular hexagon. So here's our regular hexagon. Using a tick, indicate whether each of the following statements is true or false. So a regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. Regular hexagon means equal, and hexagon is 6, so true. A regular hexagon cannot be inscribed in a circle. So to inscribe a hexagon in a circle would be to have a circle running around the outside of it, touching off of all of those. Okay, so it can be, so this is saying it can't be, so false. The exterior angle of a hexagon is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and just to double check, we've got 360 degrees is a full way around. If I divide that by the 6 sides in a regular hexagon, that's equal to 60. And that's how I work out that external angle of 60 degrees. So that is true. Part C now. Shown below is a logo for a car repair service. The logo is based on a regular octagon. So we can see a regular octagon shape here. Also shown is an incomplete drawing of a similar logo. So here's our incomplete logo. And I want us to complete the drawing of the logo. So I've got my axis line running through there, so it's symmetrical on both sides, and I've got my axis line there. So let's first off draw that rectangular part. Okay, and that is 80, correct, that is 80. And double check that that's equal on both sides, 50 on this side, 50 on that side, correct. So there's the rectangle. Now an octagon, okay, 8 sides, so 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45 degrees. So the external angle here is 45 degrees, and the external angle here is 45 degrees. So just to double check that, I can see with my 45 degree set square, that's at an angle of 45. So let's go to 45 there. It's a regular hexagon, so all sides are going to be the same. So the length of my base here, which they're telling me is 30, I can swing that up and find the length of that side. And from that point I can vertically go up, or draw my vertical line. Okay, I can swing my arc again, or if you look up here, you can see that that and that point are in line with each other. The same thing will be occurring here, so just extend across and find that. Now I've got my 45 degree line again, and 45 degree from this side. So once again I can get my compass and swing an arc. That's one option to find a side, and the same on this side. Or you can see here in our graphic, that bottom corner and that corner there, they're in line, so I could also extend the line up and that finds the same point. So it's up to you what method you want to do. Many ways of doing this. So I'm going to go around the outside to show my octagon. Okay, and now we need to draw this the mouth of the spanner. So I'm going to follow these light lines that have been given to me. Okay, so that's two of them. I also have this one joining diagonally. And this one joining diagonally. So that's allowing me to find my heavy lines that I need. Okay, so that is my octagon completed and the design within it. Lastly, I want to colour or shade to complete the drawing. So here is my completed shading complete, render completed. You can use whatever colour you want. I've just gone grey because that's typically the colour we get with a spanner. So that's question one completed.